Advice that can help you understand the stock market. If you would like to make the most money possible with investing in the stock market, you need to conduct some research. Start by researching each company that you'd like to invest in and then, track the success of your stocks. Watch this video for more great tips on the stock market. Have you done some short selling? This method of investing includes loaning shares of stock. An investor can borrow shares if he agrees to return them at a specified date. The investor can sell the borrowed shares, and then repurchase the same number of shares when the price declines. Because the stock is sold at a higher price than the price to replenish it, this investment method can yield healthy profits. Aim for investing in stocks from companies that are financially sound and have earning growth that are above the market average. There are over 6,000 publicly traded companies in the United States stock markets, available to choose from. However, applying these criteria reduces your target pool of stocks to just around 200 choices to invest in. Before you invest money in the stock market, it is helpful to give yourself some practice. Choose several companies or funds and note the price and the date. Keep track of these picks and evaluate your reasons for wanting to invest. As you watch the companies over time, you will develop insight into how effective your ability to pick a good stock is developing. Use a discount brokerage rather than a full-service firm for your trading of stocks, bonds and mutual funds, and keep more of your money. Discount brokerages usually charge lower fees and commissions. There is no point in paying unnecessary fees. The only downside is that a discount brokerage will not give you advice about what to buy and sell. You must make those determinations on your own. Buying low and selling high is a common tip with beginners in the stock market, but there is so much information that is available. Consider using investment services or speaking to experts for help with investments. Remember the tips in this video and do more research, in order to get the most success with your stocks. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.